Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel RF Design Basics. In this video we are going to see what is the equivalent circuit of G parameters. As we know that the G parameter is defined as I1, V2 in the left hand side. Then we have G parameter G11, G12, G21, G22. And here we have V1, I2. So from here the equations are written as I1 equal to G11 V1 plus G12 I2 and V2 is equal to G21 V1 plus G22 I2. So we can see that the first equation is summation of two different currents, where this current involves a voltage V1. So we can make the equivalent circuit as the current I1 is incoming and voltage V1 is the input voltage. So this incoming current is summation of two currents. So first current will be this, which is G11, so that V1 across G11 will be multiplied and this will be one part of the current I1. And then another one is parallel to this, which is G12. So this will be a current source G12 I2. So it's a current dependent current source in the left hand side. Then in the right hand side, this is addition of two voltage source. So this voltage consists of G22 and I2. So that means we have current, incoming current as I2, where voltage across this is V2. So this will be G22 over here, and then we will have a voltage source plus and minus, and this voltage source will be G21 V1. So we can see that the I1 current which is incoming here will be summation of G11 into V1 plus current in this branch G12 I2, and V2 is equal to I2 into G22 plus G21 V1. So G22 into I2 plus G21 V1. So this is our equivalent circuit of G parameters. Now let us take a small problem based on this. I have a 4 ohm resistor, then 3 ohm resistor, and here we have 6 ohm resistor. I want to calculate the G parameter of this network. So you can assume I1, V1, I2 and V2 and write the equation as this. So first of all we will calculate G11 for I2 equal to 0. So when I2 is open circuited, G11 is I1 upon V1, which will be 1 by 4 plus 3, which is 1 by 7 Siemens. For the same condition I2 equal to 0, we can calculate G21, which is given as V2 upon V1 for the same condition I2 equal to 0. So when I2 is 0, the voltage across this is V1 and voltage across 3 ohm will become V2. So in this case we can find out the voltage ratio. So V1 voltage is dividing in two parts, that is 4 ohm and 3 ohm parts. So in 3 ohm it will be 3 by 7 V1, that is our V2, in divided by V1, so it is 3 by 7. So voltage ratio is 3 by 7. Now next is to calculate G12, which is I1 upon I2 when V1 equal to 0, and G22 is V2 upon I2 when V1 equal to 0. That means one will be short circuited. So if I short circuit the port 1 like this, so here V1 is 0, then 4 and 3 will be in parallel with 6 in series. So this gives us the G22 value, which is equal to V2 by I2. So 6 plus 3 parallel 4, which is equal to 6 plus 12 divided by 7, which is 54 divided by 7 ohms. Now next is current ratio, I1 and I2 ratio. So I can find out I1 in terms of I2. So I2 is here incoming, dividing in two parts, 4 and 3 ohm. So I1 can be written as, here the I1 is opposite to this, so I can write minus I1 is equal to I2 dividing in two parts. So I2 dividing in two parts. In 4 ohm resistor we can find by taking the other resistance 3 ohm divided by summation of that, that is the current division. So from here we can find I1 by I2 ratio as minus 3 by 7. So this will become G12 equal to minus 3 by 7. So this is how we have calculated G12, which is minus 3 by 7, G21 3 by 7, G11 1 by 7, and G22 as 54 by 7. Hope you will be able to calculate G parameters after watching this video. Thank you.